Okay, my YouTube family and friends, how to do, how to do, how to do. Now your girl Miss Bev is right back in the house. I had to just come. You know what? Sister Dawkins just came in. And look what I got, guys. Look over there. See all those cane? Look at that. And we had cane before. We had bags of cane we bought in the thing, and we got all these canes again. So I'm so blessed, guys. But then look what she also carried. Kayla, give me a break, Kayla. Give me a chance, Kayla. Look what she carried, people. All right, this is a naseberry. The last time I ate a naseberry, it didn't do well with my stomach. I'm gonna try this one because I was wondering if the one that I bought in the store in the Jamaica, it's like a West Indian oh, what do they call it? It was a West Indian place. You get your yam, your ackee, you get all sort of good stuff there. But when I brought it home and I opened it and tried it, I puked. So I didn't know if they had put something on it and that wasn't good for me. But I'm going to try this one, guys. And let's look at this. You see this custard apple? I haven't had this like for 50 years. When I left St. Elizabeth, I never had another custard apple. So this is another exotic Jamaican fruit, guys. This is custard apple. Inside of it, could you bring me a small knife? Do not run with it. Inside of it, it's like custard. The food, the inside, it's like a nice custardy, sweet, nice thing. Some people don't like it, but I loved custard apples. So because I haven't had it for such a long time, I'm going to try this today, guys, to see if it still loves me like I loved it. So I'm going to cut it open so you can see. Yes, hold it down, give me the handle. Good girl. So I'm going to cut it, guys, so you can see. Wow, this is nice and ripe. Wow. Oh my God, I remember the days. That's the inside of it, guys. And it is so sweet. It has a lot of seeds, but it has, let me bring it up. It has a lot of seeds, and it is sweet and kind of grainy like. But I want to try it today and to see if it loves me. I remember when these the birds would be the first ones to find the ripe ones, or the ones that were turned. We call them turn when they were getting ready to ripe. They would smell that sweetness and they would start picking at it. Sometimes by the time you get a chance to go get your stuff, they eat a lot of it out. You just have to leave it for them. And they go after the big ones because these can grow to like 5 pounds. So I'm happy that I got this one today, because ever since when I left St. Elizabeth, I never got to eat another custard apple. My grandmother had so many trees, so many custard apple trees, and they would just be loaded with fruit. I'm telling you guys, that place was so fruitful. Oranges, tangerine, mango, soursop, grapefruit, naseberry, guinea, guava, and the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful custard apple trees. I don't know what else was there, but we had so much fruits as a young kid to just eat and build up the immune system. So we never get sick. We never go to the doctors. We never go, because we were always getting all this vitamin C and all the other nutrients. So I had to share that with you guys. I'm sitting here smelling it. So nice. So I'm not gonna eat it on camera, because if I get if I get sick, I don't want to see me getting sick on camera. But I'm gonna try it, and I'll tell you in another video. I'll mention it in another video if it did bother me, because I haven't had it in such a long time. I think too, the changes in our lives, the medications or whatever that gets into our system, that sometimes the fruits, probably that's why the naseberry had not been friendly to me. But these are 2 exotic fruits from Jamaica, guys. Wow. That's the naseberry. It's beautiful. That's a naseberry inside. It has big seeds, but it's sweet. Naseberry, probably known by another name from another country. But this is naseberry. Sugary, grainy, but it's sweet inside. You see how stained, that little bit of stain right there, the white? Just like the custard apple, that if it's not properly ripe, then that's stain. Ugh, that's stain, that's stain. So there you have it, guys. Enjoying a little piece of Jamaica. Custard apple and naseberry. And on the other side, some beautiful sugar cane. And I like them. I like how the joints are long. That means they should be soft cane. So guys, just keep on blessing me up, because you know what? I feel the love. I feel the appreciation. I am thankful, and I cannot be less than thankful. Every single day I have to have something to be thankful for. Because look at that. Look at the blessing. Look at the blessings. Sister Dawkins was out there, and her husband is the one who found the star apple. And she decided to bring one for me. So God be praised, right? So we give thanks again. So make it a great day by choice, guys. Those of you who are here in Jamaica, you have access to these things. Know that you're blessed. You know, you can go hungry because you eat these things and they're filling and they're good. So they can take a meal, you know, it can fill the space of a meal at least, you know. So God is good.